Today, we are going to learn about quadrilaterals. Again, quadrilaterals. If you will say quadrilaterals, it means it is a two-dimensional figure with four sides and four angles. Again, quadrilateral is a two-dimensional figure with four sides and four angles, meaning 2D shape. You know that one, right? So quadrilaterals has four sides and four angles. Look around you. Do you see shapes in your room that could be called quadrilaterals? You can see quadrilaterals everywhere. On the floor, inside the houses, the toaster, what else? The cookies, the table, the road, and the main street, right? So we can see many quadrilaterals everywhere. What are those quadrilaterals? There are different types of quadrilaterals. We identify quadrilaterals using their sides and angle. We will recall first the different types of lines. Remember this? I know you've learned this one already when you are in your P5/1 because this topic is about line, about parallel lines, perpendicular lines, intersecting lines. Remember that one? I hope you remember those topics when you are in P5/1. So the first one, this is parallel lines or parallel sides. The second one, it looks like a T. So that is perpendicular side or perpendicular line segment. This is actually 90 degrees. When they cross each other, they have 90 degrees. Parallel lines, they are in the same direction. The two lines are the same direction, but they didn't touch each other, okay? Always, they are enemy. They're not friends, okay? But the perpendicular line, they crosses each other with 90 degrees, okay? That is perpendicular line segment. And the last one, this is what we call intersecting line. The same as perpendicular, they met, they see each other, they touch each other, but not exactly in the 90 degrees. That is intersecting. Again, parallel, perpendicular, intersecting. Okay, here are the types of quadrilaterals. First, rectangle, okay? Do you know that one already? What is that in Pasatay? Rectangle. Second, square. Third, parallelogram. Again, parallelogram. Fourth, rhombus. Again, rhombus. Next, kite. Do you know what is kite, right? And the last one is trapezium. Again, types of quadrilaterals are the following: rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus, kite, and trapezium. So we will know their properties one by one, okay? Again, we will know their properties one by one. So let's start with rectangle. If you will say rectangle, it is a quadrilateral that has two pairs of parallel sides. Again, it has two pairs of parallel sides. The parallel sides are the opposite side. And that opposite sides are equal in length, okay? And it has four right angles. As you can see the picture again, we can see two pair of parallel sides. The line segment AB is parallel to the line segment DC. And AB and DC are equal, okay? And line segment AD is parallel to line segment BC. So that are the two pairs of parallel sides. The opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to DC. AD is equal to BC. And the diagonal AC, this one, diagonal AC, and the diagonal BD are equal in length and bisect each other, okay? If we mean bisect, they divided into two parts. So that is bisect, the meaning of the word bisect. Okay, next one. Square. If you will say square, it is a quadrilateral that has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Again, all sides are equal. 2 pairs of parallel sides, AB parallel to DC, AD parallel to BC. So all sides are equal. EB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. And the diagonal AC and BD are also in the same length, okay? And they are perpendicular line segment. Why? Because they touch each other at 90 degrees. So that is square. Next one, parallelogram. Again, parallelogram. A parallelogram is quadrilateral that has 2 pair of parallel sides, the same as square and rectangle. But this shape, this is the sideways of the rectangle. As you can see, the rectangle is straight. But the parallelogram, the other 2 sides are in the sideways, okay? So that is parallelogram. If you will say parallelogram, it has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Again, parallel, it's the same direction. You know that one already. Opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to DC. AD is equal to BC. And the diagonal, AC and BD are also equal in length, and they bisect each other. As we can see here, the height EF is perpendicular to AD and BC. Again, if you will see perpendicular, it looks like a T. It touch each other at 90 degrees. Next, rhombus. If you will see rhombus is a quadrilateral that has 4 equal sides and 2 pairs of parallel sides. If parallelogram is a sideway of rectangle, this is rectangle, sideway, so that is parallelogram. If what we call rhombus, this is square, and the sideway of the square, that is rhombus. The same as they have 2 pairs of parallel sides, AB parallel to DC, slide segment AD is parallel to BC. All sides are also equal, okay? But the diagonal AC and BD are not equal, okay? That is the difference between the rhombus and the square. The square is the diagonal AC and BD are equal, but rhombus, the diagonal AC and BD are not equal. The same as these diagonals are perpendicular to each other at 90 degrees and they bisect each other. Next one, kite. Kite is a quadrilateral that has 2 pairs of equal sides that are adjacent to each other. There are no parallel sides here, right? Adjacent sides are equal, meaning AB, this side, is equal to AD. And CB is equal to CD. So that is kite. Diagonal AC and BD are perpendicular. Okay, always perpendicular. So that is kite. And the last one, trapeziums. Everyone, trapeziums. If you will say trapeziums, is a quadrilateral that has 1 pair of parallel sides.
And that's all for today. Have a good day, everyone.